Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the Oppo Find X3 Pro, the newest phone by Oppo, which records video in 4K 30 right now, and we're testing its video recording capabilities. So let's do first the ultra-wide camera. So let's switch to the ultra-wide camera, and you can seamlessly switch between cameras while using the phone. And with the ultra-wide camera you get a lot more in view. Now let's switch back to the main camera, and let's turn around right over there and try to zoom in on the bird. Try to zoom in on the bird. You have 20 times maximum zoom, so let's go all the way to the maximum zoom level. You can get pretty up close and personal using the zoom capabilities on the Oppo Find X3 Pro. That's what it looks like. Now let's switch back to the main camera and let's just walk shortly to test the video stabilization. Now let's pick up the pace. Alright, and that's what video stabilization looks on the Oppo Find X3 Pro. Lastly, I want to step out of the frame so we can test the continuous autofocusing. So first, the focus should be right now on my face. Once again, it should switch to the background and back to my face. And that's a good workout. Thanks for watching. This was the Oppo Find X3 Pro.